Yeah, so we back with real sexy, cherished Blight. That's how you say it when you're from Temple. That's that Florida word. You gotta say cherished Blight. So of course we get these eyebrows together. Okay, I'm using LA Girl concealer to shape those eyebrows. Everything will be in the description box, boo. Drop down and get your eagle on in them comments. We're going in with some P. Louise primer in the color 6. And I'm using the Morphe palette to add my browns. I'm doing different shades of browns, going darker and darker each time, okay? Use the browns that's good for you, boo. Use the browns that's good for you. What's good for you ain't good for me, and what's good for her ain't good for you. Use the ones that's good for you. Now, this is a P. Louise black base. I am setting my crease primer out. It is black, and then I'm going back over it with black eyeshadow, and you want to pat that on and blend it. And then I'm doing brown to blend it some more. This video going way too fast. Now I'm wiping off the eyelids to prepare for the cut crease. Okay, now we cut in the crease. We had to slow that thing down. Sometimes you got to slow it down, baby. You got to talk like that. Oh, there you go again. All right, now we had to, okay. I wanted the crease to be way more dramatic. Let me drop in the look we were going for. Hold on. Okay, so this isn't your average cut crease. So I noticed the cut crease is like all the way up to the brow. So I needed to take that thing all the way up to the brow. You see what I'm saying? I had to take that thing up, and I think I cut it some more, later on in the video. Boom, see? I went all the way up to that brow. You see that? This is a very draggy cut crease, and I love it. I love me old nasty, draggy cut crease. Then you want to take the color eyeshadow that you want on your eyelid and pat it on. Don't rub it. Pat it. Okay, pat that thing. Now, right here, I'm just taking a little small detail brush and just, intensifying. I like that word. Intensifying that cut crease. We're going to intensify it. You see that? And we're just going to get a nice, fluffy, clean brush and buff it out. Buff, okay? Yes, now it's time to beat. Okay, and I'm patting on that foundation. I'm not rubbing that foundation into her skin. This is Studio Fix by MAC. I believe this is NW50 mixed with a little bit of M55. And that is Tarte Shape Tape. If you don't want that concealer to go nowhere, you put that on there. Okay, like I told y'all get a nice pool, okay? That thing could get wet. That thing could be wet. And it's still gonna be on y'all. Don't ask me how I know now. Don't ask me about how I know. Mind your business. You in my business. Don't do that. Okay, now we are contouring that nose. Okay? You see that? That's a cream contour. I like the cream contour first so I can get it right. See, when you do the powder and you mess up, you got to keep fixing with the cream. Come on, words. Come on. You can get it on there, get it right, and if you mess up, it's easier to fix, see? And I just buffed it out, and I just kept working it till I got that nose how I wanted to, which was snatched. Snatched. Like I'm about to snatch these wigs all 2021. Snatch that nose. Snatch. Say it with me. Snatch. All right, now we're going to buff out that contour on them cheeks. Yes, face, huh? Come together. Yeah, buff it on out. Buff it on out. Okay? Okay, girl. Now we're going in with MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. I wanted a dramatic under eye, so we are doing Medium Golden by MAC. Now, that's usually what I highlight my skin with. So, this is a dramatic look. Like a super dramatic look when you're doing your makeup. Go 2 or 3, 4 shades brighter under your eyes and deepen that contour. That's when you get that really dramatic look. And by the way, that is Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. And of course, this is the Morphe contour palette. Look at that big face out the way. Now, I'm mixing the blush and the lightest color contour to go on the cheek and area up to the hairline. Okay, because I like to build my contour. Okay, so I start with the lightest color first. And then I start to get deeper as I continue to go. Am I explaining that correctly? If I'm not, you can get in the comments. Okay, now I'm going darker, you see? But I'm not going all the way down to the mouth because you don't want to get Cruella de Vil-ish. You don't want to look strong. You don't want to like you be lifting weights with your face. You don't want to look like you be working out your face. See, so I took the darkest color, see right there? And I'm just kind of Yeah. You see what I'm doing? See? You see that? Now, I'm taking your face powder. You get your face color. This is Dark Deepest by MAC. And I'm just buffing all of that out and blending it together. Yes, and I'm rubbing it. I'm not patting. I pat it on first, and then I start rubbing it in. You want to kind of set it first by patting. Then you start rubbing. And just rub all over your damn face. Just start blending these colors together. I don't want to see no damn lines. I don't want to hear about a line. I don't want to see about a line. I don't want to smell a line. I don't want to lick a line. Okay? Just blend it out as much as you can, okay? And in your pictures, you're going to see it because it's going to be so lit. Your mother going to be all lit. Okay, girl, now right here, I'm just going back in over the nose and setting that, okay? And now I'm spraying with Gerard Cosmetics. And when I spray, I like to use the GlamFAN to dry it up quickly because I ain't got no goddamn time to be waiting for your face to dry. I don't have the time. You can use the GlamFAN to dry your face, lash glue, all of that. And when the face get wet, I like to go back in and pat on the eyeshadow because it can kind of break up the eyeshadow a little bit. So you just want to go back in and pat over it in case that happens. And I'm just adding a little bit more blush. I want a little more intense, a little more dragified. You know what I mean? Okay, y'all, Jillionaire Girls Club in the building with that rich-ass VIP liner. Because VIPs don't wait in line. Get it? Okay, I tried. But anyways, we're going in and we're making that dramatic liner. We're just going to intensify that thing because the liner makes this look. You see that? That line on the top and then the liner right here at the baseline. See? Okay, and we have to make it real dark and real kind of thick at the back and real dramatic because the cut crease is so large up to the eyebrow. Now, if this was a regular cut crease, you want to try to keep that line thin. But because of this artistic masterpiece of art, we want to try to keep it, proportionate. That's the word. You got to coordinate. That's the thing. You see what I'm saying? You got to coordinate that thing. And that liner just slides on and it dries fast so you don't have to worry about messing up and it bleeding and going everywhere. You get down. See, look how tight I can get in that little corner and make that little thin line. Look at that. Look at that. Little tight little corner and make that little tight little thin line. Baby, come on now. Don't play with me. Don't play with my products. Please don't play with my products. Play with your kids. Don't play with my products. Now, we're just, going back and touching up them brows. They get a little makeup, a little powder on them. You just want to touch them up a little bit. And boom! That's the finishing touches right there. That's like put motherfucking sauce on a motherfucking plate after you cook. You heard what I'm saying? After you cooking, you can put that emerald pow on there. That's it right there. That highlight from Lit. That's called Lit from Urban Decay, honey. Right here, I just want to buff a little color under the eye. I don't like it, I want to just kind of be just a little bit, not too much now. Now, we're going in with these lips, and this is Crucifix by Kat Von D. This is my favorite brown lip liner. It looks good on everybody. It's versatile, and it's waterproof, okay? You can lickety-split all night long, and when you get up, that lip liner still going to, that lipstick might be gone, but that lip liner still going to be on. Does that rhyme? That lipstick might be gone, but that lip liner gonna be on. Hey! Okay, girl, now we're going in with Sugar from Colored Rain Cosmetics. That is a black-owned brand, honey. Get into it. Get on into it. Black girl. Yeah. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna buff that out with a eyeshadow brush. Okay? Not a lip brush, an eyeshadow brush. Because we don't want what? Lines. I hate a line. You hear me? Ooh, I had to fake cuss. I hate a line. And we're going in with Milani Lip Plumper and Champagne over the top. And what I like to do, my little trick is I go back over everything with the lip liner because I just love the way it intensifies the look and it just makes your lip look all juicy and defined. Like juicy and defined, okay? And I like me a good defined line. All right, we're about to switch these vibes up a little bit and come in with Jillionaire Girls Club lashes, honey. These are mink lashes. They're so fluffy and they're so bomb. And I'm going in with the black Wealthy AF Lash Glue from Jillionaire Girls Club. It comes in black and clear, but I love using black because it really intensifies your liner when you're going in with lashes. And look how easy those lashes go on. Just want to go in with your CEO tweezers and secure those lashes. Look at how fluffy those are. I just love it. I just love it. And the glue doesn't take long to get tacky. It doesn't take like 60 seconds like Duo or some crap like that. It also doesn't have strong fumes like hair glue, which makes your eyes water. This is hypoallergenic, so it's safe for your eyes, skin, and contact wearers, okay? Now we going in with the clear lash glue, and I love using this for bottom lashes because you can't see it once it dries, and it just like them lashes growing out your eyelid. It just look like it's just growing out the bottom. Like you a doll or something. Okay, so anyways, these are exclusively found at JillionaireGirlsClub.com. You will not find them anywhere else. Anywhere else, I promise you. If you do, tag me in them and I'm gonna go beat their ass. Just kidding. No, I'm not. And boom. Flawless Barbie. Okay,
expensive,
make
everything
sure you get your content
exclusive and
shots.
everything.
If you're doing makeup
I
and you
don't
have
want to say too
products,
much.
get
I
your
don't want
content
nobody
shots, honey.
biting.
Content. Look at all this good content. Those are lash glasses from Jillionaire Girls Club. You got to get you a pair. You see Toya love them. You better than Toya? No, you're not. So that's why you need to go over there and get you some lash glasses so you can be a fly boss bitch like the rest of us. Uh-oh. There's the GlamFAN. Shh. You hear that thing blowing? I had to cut him. Do you hear that thing blowing? 3 speed. Girl, if you don't want to look like a sweaty dog in the club, get you one. Oh, y'all, please remember to share, like, comment, and let me know if I nailed this look or not. Did I nail it? Let me know below. Let's